I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence.
Thank you.
And nobody can hang with my stuff. Just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first, you're last. You know what I'm talking about?
Hello, I'm Jensen. What's going on, everybody? So this is part 2 of the driving tutorial. I hope you guys like part 1. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. It's pretty much the basics, how to do your settings in the SRT pages, how to do a brake stand, and starting to learn how to counter steer. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to do figure 8s. It's a little more technical than just regular donuts, but I'm gonna see if I can explain it good for you guys. So stay tuned. You wanna learn how to do figure 8s. I'm about to go to the spot now, but first let's get a cold. Back at the training grounds. This isn't the best spot to learn in a tight space like this. I would recommend trying it somewhere way more open, a lot less room for error, but I'm comfortable with this spot, so I'll be able to show you guys. So basically, a lot from the first video ties into this video. So when you want to start the figure 8, it's pretty much exactly like when you start the donuts. So yeah, you want to do the brake stand, get the tires spinning, you want to turn the wheel so you can whip your car 180. As soon as it starts to go over 180 degrees, you start to counter steer, so your wheels are pointed in the other direction, so you can start to come around the opposite direction. And then when you get to 180 degrees again, you counter steer the opposite way, so you can go back the other way. So I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like behind the wheel, and then I'll get an outside view for you guys so you can see what's going on. Make sure you pay attention to my feet in the video, because there's gonna be a lot of left foot braking, and you want to use left foot braking to slow down the slide. The more left foot braking you use, the slower the slide can be, so you can have a little more control, so it's not going really fast until you get comfortable with going really fast. Yeah, let's hop in and show you guys how it's done. So make sure your car is in the same settings, track mode, and you want the traction control completely off. Someone asked me about sport mode. I don't mess with sport mode really. I just go straight to track because it's a lot stiffer. You got less body roll, so the car is easier to control. So yeah, let's get into it. So just like the donuts, start with the brake stand, turn the wheel so you can initiate the donut, and then whip it the other way to do the figure 8. So brake stand, counter steer, left foot brake. All right. So now let's show you what the outside view looks like. thirsty ass need fuel again. Jesus. Using this paper towel because I don't have any gloves and the corona is real. See what the tires are looking like, huh? Those are done. These are even ball there. My tire's popping. Okay, so let's do a little rundown of what we learned. So I taught you guys how to do the brake stand. The brake stand, you apply pressure to the brakes, hit the gas, get the wheels spinning, but keep the car stopped. And then I told you guys how to turn into the donut, which is the same as a figure eight. You gotta turn in the same way. So yeah, when you turn in and your car does a complete 180, that's when you want to counter steer the other way so your car can flip the other direction, and you pretty much just want to keep doing that back and forth to do that figure eight motion. And what helps me a lot and what I do is I do a lot of left foot braking. I'm gonna go more into detail in that in the third part, but a lot of left foot braking will slow down the car so it doesn't whip as hard and it's not as fast transitions, so you can kind of slow it down with your left foot. Left foot braking, all you do is apply a little pressure to the brake pedal when you're sliding. You don't slam on the brakes or anything crazy like that, because obviously you'll stop. You just want to feather the brake pedal a little bit so it slows down the slide. I went through a set of tires. I'm gonna have to go get another set of tires before I do part 3, but stay tuned for part 3. I'm gonna show you guys how to do exits leaving donuts or leaving figure eights, and then part 4 we're gonna get into some drifting stuff. So stay tuned. Like, subscribe, comment, share, follow, hit the bell, thumbs up, all that stuff. Thanks everyone for the support. I appreciate it. Keep it up so I can keep buying tires and keep making these dope videos for you guys. All right, see y'all in the next one.